short assignment about the SAS, okay, so that you should know about it, because most of the jobs nowadays in different companies we have it's about SAS. If you have experience, you know the SAS, so they're gonna hire the people with the SAS. So it gives more visualizations and more interactive. It's more interactive as well. So it is the most highly form of the ERP or visualizations. Visual Analytics by SAS Institute at terradatauniversity.com. You can learn more about SAS, experiment with the tool as well. So I want that you just like log into the terradatauniversity.com later on after the class and learn some more about the SAS as well. So it will give you some more information about the analytics.